As you venture into the realm of building information modeling or BIM, you might have a myriad of questions. Where do we begin? What about costs and return on investments? Join me as we explore these considerations and tailor insights for your specific trade. Understanding BIM's definition is important. While your experiences may differ slightly, comprehending the decision-making processes around BIM is essential. Look beyond your specific role and grasp the overall BIM organizational framework. Hardware, software, and training needs play a pivotal role in launching BIM within your company. Engage your teams. BIM is a collaborative journey that begins with decisions on deploying BIM at your company. Consult software representatives to guide you in selecting suitable tools. They can advise on hardware updates, provide training, and aid in creating a BIM deployment plan tailored to your company's needs and budget. Transitioning to BIM requires updating internal standards and creating software templates. If time seems limited, consider seeking assistance from BIM manager consultants who specialize in streamlining this phase. Adapting to BIM software might seem daunting, but teams become operational and effective within a relatively short period. The transition isn't instantaneous, but the efficiency gains make it a worthwhile investment. Your involvement in a BIM project might vary, from the decision-making phase to following the architect's or contractor's choice to use BIM. It's advisable to choose a specific project for learning and training purposes. Each project needs a BIM coordinator, someone enthusiastic and dedicated to learning BIM intricacies. Finding the right person might be challenging, but it's vital for the success of your BIM endeavors. BIM specialists are rare and expensive. Alternatively, engaging a BIM consultant to guide your internal resource in becoming a BIM reference can make your transition smoother and more self-reliant. Now, once you're set with the BIM workflows, the true benefits arise when you share the digital model with the partners. An integrated model accelerates coordination and allows room for innovative BIM applications. As your BIM proficiency grows, capitalize on these new abilities by offering innovative services to clients. Let them know that you not only meet but exceed expectations with the power of BIM. That concludes our journey into what to expect when embarking on a BIM project. Remember, BIM is more than just a tool. It's a transformative process. Embrace this transition, explore its potential, and witness your projects thrive. Thank you for joining us.